Hello everyone, myself Sunita. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about crude drug evaluation methods. Evaluation refers to the standardization of crude drugs. It includes identity of the crude drug and determination of its quality and purity. Identity of the drug is confirmed by comparing the sample with the authentication sample. Comparing with the official literature available. Quality refers to the amount of active chemical constituents present in the crude drug. Purity refers to the freedom from the admixture. It also covers detection and determination of the type of adulteration present. Drug evaluation is very much important because drugs may underwent for deterioration due to treatment and storage. For determination of biological variation in the drugs and for reporting substitution and adulteration as a result of carelessness, ignorance and fraud. These are the methods of evaluation: organoleptic evaluation, microscopic, biological, physical and chemical evaluation methods. Organoleptic evaluation or morphological evaluation. It involves study of crude drugs accomplished by means of sensory organs, gross morphology and other sensory characteristics like color, odor, taste and external appearance or macroscopic features like size, shape, fractures, texture, etc. For example, crude drugs like cinnamon can be identified by its brown color, umbelliferous fruit with its aromatic odor, ginger with pungent taste, cylindrical shape of sarsaparilla root. In microscopic evaluation, detailed examination of patiently prepared samples like powdered and macerated samples, which can be observed through microscope for identification of histological features of drug. Study of microscopical characteristics of organized drugs include qualitative examination like present or absent of type counts, different types of cells, cell constituents. In quantitative microscopy, palisade ratio, stomatal index, stomatal number, vein islet number, vein termination number are evaluated. For example, palisade ratio of distalis lanata, which should be in the range of 2.5 to 6.5. Similarly, stomatal number of datura and stomatal index of Atropa belladonna, which should be in the specified ranges. Coming to biological evaluation. Some crude drugs cannot be evaluated satisfactorily by physical or chemical methods. They may be specific biological and pharmacological activity which is utilized for evaluation. So those can be assayed by means of living animals, isolated organs, tissues and microorganisms like bacteria or fungi. Here biological response produced by test drug is compared with the standard preparation. Biological activity of crude drug is due to presence of specific type of constituents. It is measured in international units. For example, distalis 1 international unit is equal to 76 mg of standard preparation. Physical evaluation methods. Physical parameters are extensively used for crude drug evaluation. In these methods, determination of typical physical constants like solubility of drug in specific solvents is considered, optical rotation values, refractive index for liquids, melting point for solids, moisture content determination. There are various methods available for determination of moisture content of the drugs like Karl-Fischer titration method, distillation method and Hart-Oven methods. Other parameters like ash values which refer to the amount of inorganic material present in the crude drug. Here values like total ash, acid insoluble ash, water soluble ash and sulfated ash are measured. And another important parameter like extractive values where chemical constituents may be extracted into suitable solvent known as extractives. Like water soluble constituents are obtained as water soluble extracts. Alkaloids, glycosides are obtained as alcohol soluble extractives. Volatile oils and resins are extracted into ether. Chemical evaluation methods. It involves determination of active chemical constituents by qualitative and quantitative tests. Qualitative chemical tests divulges the chemical identity of crude drug. These tests are based on definite color production upon treatment with chemical reagents. For example, Senna cascara contains anthraquinone glycosides, which can be identified with red color formation with potassium hydroxide solution. Similarly, alkaloids in Atropa belladonna can be identified with Dragendorf's reagent. In quantitative chemical tests, which ascertains the relative amount of chemical identities present in crude drugs in the numerical terms. For example, crude drugs containing fixed oils, volatile oils and waxes are evaluated by quantitative determination of acid value, ester value, iodine value and saponification value. These methods are analogous to assays for pure chemicals. Quantitative techniques provide high degree of specificity and selectivity towards crude drug analysis. Different quantitative evaluation techniques are discussed in my next presentation. Pharmacopoeial standards. Pharmacopoeia is an official crude drugs containing a list of established drugs. The important pharmacopoeia are Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia. These pharmacopoeias provides standards for physical constants, structural and analytical standards. The significance of pharmacopoeial standards is drugs should be uniform in the quality. Thank you.